don't watch this, watch the struggle behind this, okay? Because that is really important.
Yeah.
So hello दोस्तों, welcome back to a new video and प्यारी बोना सबको. So आज चैनल में आप फिर से एक नया फेस देख सकते हो. Her name is भूमिका and मैं आज इन्हें फिर इसलिए लाया because I have started that initiative Let's Talk for Students and that is why मैं एक नया स्टूडेंट नया फेस इसलिए लाया हूँ ताकि ये अपनी एक्सपीरियंस जो है जो भी इन्होंने फेस किया है कनाडा के अंदर वो सब कुछ शेयर कर सके. सो अगर आपको जानना है कि इन्होंने क्या फेस किया है, क्या इनके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस रहे हैं, क्या कनाडा का एक्सपीरियंस रहा है, सो वीडियो को पूरा देखते रहना. तो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट भूमिका, कैन यू प्लीज गिव अ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट योर सेल्फ. इज इट फाइन विद यू?
Yeah, sure. My name is Bhumika, as you know.
Okay.
I am from Delhi, India. I'm an architect. I studied architecture in India, and here I was studying construction project management. And I'm on to my second course, that is building information modeling.
Okay.
So it's my second year at Fanshawe.
Okay, second year in fashion. Okay, so first thing first, how was your overall experience in Canada? And like it's been around 1.5 years or 4 years for you. So how do you feel after like coming to Canada and staying here for so long time?
It has been great, honestly.
Okay.
Meeting new people, making new friends,
Right.
Working towards your goals, working towards your dreams, which you never thought
Exactly.
you could do,
Exactly.
you could achieve in India that easily. I mean, not easy, but yeah, it was not easy here also, but yeah, it has been great. It has been a very good learning experience.
Okay. So like you might have also heard, and I'm hearing it every day, that there is lack of jobs here. So what is your perspective on that? Like, is there any lack of jobs or there are jobs available in London?
There are jobs for everybody. In
Okay.
fact, many people message me on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn.
Right.
You know, if they are in India and they want to know what are the job prospects here,
Right.
how can you get a job here. So it's one thing for sure, you cannot land yourself a job while you're there in
Right.
India. You have to be here, you have to have your resume in hand, you have to be out there on the roads, you know, giving out to people you want to
Yes,
work with.
dropping your resumes.
Yeah. It's not a cakewalk. It's not like you would give your resume and you'll get the job, or it won't be like, "Okay, आओ हमारे पास job है, ले लो." So you have to be there. You have to try, but it's not like you will not get a job.
Right.
Everybody I know has a job here.
Okay. So after that, can you give few words on Fanshawe College and after that on London? Do you think Fanshawe is a good college or do you think London is a good city?
Fanshawe is definitely a good college. That is why we're here.
Right.
In comparison to other colleges, it has good reputation. It has a good campus. It has many campuses, in fact. 2 or 3 in London
Yes.
only.
There's downtown campus, London South campus.
Yeah.
Then this is the main
campus here, which is quite big.
Yes.
And there are many students. You will not only find just Indian students here. That's
Yeah.
the best part about this city and this college.
Right.
You get to see people from different countries, not just India, like, which is not very common in
Exactly.
other colleges.
So and after that, do you think London is a good city to live? Because people think that Toronto is a big city, London is type of a village or it's a small city.
No, it's not at all a village.
Yeah.
In fact, even I was very confused about this fact, whether I should, choose a college in Toronto or should
Yes.
I come here. But it's not at all a village. It is not even a small city. It's a growing city, and you would find everything you need in a
Right.
city here. It's affordable.
It's
in
very
comparison
affordable,
to
yes.
Toronto, and it is good. It is good overall. It's safe. You can find everything: parks, malls,
Right.
everything. here.
So you will get everything, you will get all the jobs, so don't worry about that. Okay, so after that, very important question, do you think London or Canada is safe for women or not?
Yes, definitely. I've never felt scared while roaming out on the streets here. Never. I have been out there on the streets at night, in the morning, early morning, late night. It's been safe. I've never felt threatened by anybody. But it is very important that you are conscious about what you're doing,
Right.
what you're, who are you with. So that way, definitely, you have to take care of yourself, being a guy or a girl, but it's safe. I don't
Okay.
think there's an issue like that.
So one message I want you to give to all the parents who think that their daughters won't be safe after going to Canada because they will be alone. They will go to work. They will like do everything alone, everything. So that if you want to give one message to the parents who are watching this video.
I think you have to let go.
Right.
I mean, you have to let go of them. You can't keep them in a cocoon all your life. They have to learn. They have to experience new things. They have to work hard. And I think in today's world, there's no such thing called लड़की नहीं कर सकती है या लड़का ही कर सकता है. Both can do.
Exactly.
There's nothing which a girl cannot do and a guy can do and vice versa. So you have to let go of those inhibitions. You have to just be confident.
Right.
That matters. Confidence matters a lot. While you're here, while you're anywhere, not even in Canada,
Yeah,
even
exactly.
if you're in India,
Exactly.
you can work, you can do whatever you want. You have to. I mean, it's a thing. I mean, I have been brought up this way that I have been brought up this way that there's no other way.
No, that's really good. So after that, after coming to Canada, you are independent.
Yeah, definitely.
You're earning on your own. You are spending on your own. We are doing whatever on your own. So how does that feel? Because in India there is a stereotype that women can't work. They should stay at home. They should cook food. Like right now it is changing, but not that. Like there is not a huge pace on that. But here it is on your own. You're
Yeah.
earning. You're spending. You're living on your own. You are independent. So how does that feel? There's a huge change, huge leap. How does that feel?
It feels really nice. It feels really good when you think about yourself, about your growth. Honestly, I am also cooking here. I am also doing my dishes here.
Yeah.
I am washing my own clothes. I am doing everything you would want a girl to do
Right.
in their household. I am doing it for myself. I do it for my friends as well sometimes. And I am working. I am studying. I am doing whatever I want to do whenever I want to.
Exactly.
And that's really, empowering. That
Alright.
you feel really confident. You really like that feeling.
Yeah. So, how, like, just you told me that you feel very confident about it. So, do you think that if you are in India, if you are doing the same thing, you might have treated the same way like you have been treated in Canada?
Mindsets in India are very different
Yes.
than the mindsets you find here. It's not that there are only narrow-minded people in India. It's not at all like that. The place I've been really fortunate. I've met good people, good environments in India as well. It's not that I was not working there, but it's slow. I mean,
Yeah,
growth
it is.
is slow. At
Growth is
least
slow.
for me, it would have taken a lot of time to reach to a certain level, a certain goal,
Right.
than here in Canada.
Okay. So after that, have you ever faced threatened or like unsafe in your workplace or while you are in your you're in downtown, you're shopping in malls and anywhere?
No, the laws here are
Yeah.
so good that if you're threatened at any place, be it at a workplace, in college, or anywhere, you can just fight for yourself.
Okay.
And you don't have to fight for yourself literally. You just you don't have to do anything.
Right.
It's very easy.
No.
Firstly, you won't get there.
Exactly.
It's not very easy.
So after that, do you think the education here is better than India? I didn't want to ask this question, but what I feel is it is better in many terms, many aspects. So do you seek like Canadian education is better than Indian education?
No, I don't think so. I mean, I would say they're different.
Yeah, they
they're
are different.
very different in terms of their approaches.
Okay.
But I would not say that Indian education is lacking somewhere or
Okay.
Canadian education is better at somewhere. Each and every side has their pros and cons.
Right.
Here, people focus a lot on practical aspects of the education, and in India, we are focused. I mean, at least in my field, which is architecture, we've had enough practical
Okay.
exposure back in India also. I don't know much about other courses, other
Right.
fields, but it has been good both places. And I am here for the opportunities these courses are offering me. They would offer me in the future.
Right.
So I mean, it's good. Both places are good.
So one very important question, like I've asked it in my past videos also. Do you think, like, do you see a change between 2018 Bhumika to 2021 Bhumika?
Yeah, definitely.
And like in what ways?
I know. I think I'm repeating myself, but I feel really confident now.
Okay.
Probably it is to link with financial growth,
Yes.
and also my
Emotionally.
emotionally. I'm more stable. I'm more dependent on myself.
Right.
I mean, independent, and I am. I think I'm doing whatever I wanted to do, and I could not do back then. I am able to do that now.
Okay.
So that is something which is really empowering.
Okay. And do you want to share any of your struggles you faced like in last few years? Like any struggle which you think is like, this was my lowest here and I couldn't go beyond that, and that made you stronger and stronger every day.
Every day is a struggle.
Every day is a struggle.
Every day is a struggle. I know this is too deep,
No, that
but every day is a struggle in terms of, you know, reaching somewhere.
yeah, because
you have to.
I asked this question because students who are sitting there, they are aiming, they are aspiring to come to Canada.
Yeah.
They think that life is easy here, and they can buy anything like iPhones, cars, and all.
You can do that if
But
you take money
there's-
from your parents.
Yeah, that is not the thing, right? So that is then you stay in India only then.
Yeah, I mean that is totally, totally depends from
Exactly.
person to person. But struggle-wise, if I talk about Canada, every day is a struggle.
Every day is a struggle.
You have to balance various things. At least
Exactly.
in my case, I have to.
Right.
And you have to take care of yourself. There's nobody out there
Right.
who will take care of you.
Exactly.
So you have to prioritize yourself first over
Exactly.
every other thing, and you just have to know why you're here. There would be days where you would feel homesick.
Yeah, exactly.
There would be days when you would want to just give
Just-
up and
just give up and go
back
home. I just want to go
India,
home. Yeah.
go back to your parents, go back to your friends,
I
family.
know. I know.
But you would have to remind yourself constantly that why I'm here. I do that.
Yeah,
Whenever
yeah.
I'm low, in fact I am always homesick.
No.
I'm always wondering
What I
to
think
do.
is every student do
Yeah.
that because life beyond life, there's a life beyond these things. Okay, there's a struggle behind that. Okay, I guess you are paying $140 or $130.
Cash down.
So whatever it is, there is a huge struggle. Don't watch this. Watch the struggle behind this. Okay, because that is really important.
Yeah.
That is really
Honestly,
important.
I have been very fortunate in terms of getting opportunities here.
Yeah.
I got my job immediately. I came here in London. So it has not been very tough. I've been working. Whenever I wanted to work, I had the opportunity. It was not
Right.
like that I could not work. Touch wood. I find myself very fortunate. I got everything.
Like, that is a very good thing.
Yeah.
That is a very good thing. You should always pray to God that whatever you are going through, you should get
Yeah.
whatever you want.
See,
And-
it's very like only one advice. मेहनत करो, पल की चिंता मत करो.
Exactly.
And बस मेहनत करो, and everything would fall into place.
Exactly. So that is why I bring new faces, new students कि ये अपने experiences बता सके, ताकि आप लोगों को जो वहाँ की फैंसी लाइफ यहाँ पे जो है उसके पीछे की बातें पता चले. So see, this is all was about the initiative. Let's talk for students कि हम जो बैठे हैं यहाँ पे हम अपनी असली बातें बता सके, जो आप नहीं आपको कोई बताता या नहीं आपको पता चलता कोई वो आपको बता सके.
Yeah, and also I would like to add, if anybody wants to, anybody who's seeing this in India wants to know about any particular thing, you can always DM us on
Yes.
Instagram,
Yes,
Facebook,
yes.
LinkedIn. You can find us there and ask us if you have any doubts. Because when I was in India, I used to message people.
Yes.
I wanted to know about accommodation. I wanted to know about how things are there.
Exactly.
So these videos definitely help.
Right.
And even if in case you have more questions, you have more doubts, you can always ask him. You can ask me.
Yes.
Or there are so many people out there. You just have to find us on LinkedIn, whatever Instagram.
Yes.
And you can DM us. We would be happy to help.
Right.
Because it feels really good when people help
exactly.
us.
Exactly.
Yeah.
One tip you want to give to all the students who are coming to Canada?
खाना बनाना जरूर सीख कर आना.
That is really important because अच्छा खाना नहीं खाओगे, अच्छे से खाना नहीं
I
खाओगे.
mean, if you're okay eating burger pizzas every day, then for sure you don't have to. But
for long time, that is not good. For long term, that is not good.
Sometimes once in a while it's good.
Yes.
I mean, at least for me. But I to crave homemade food.
Yes. So खाना बनाना is very important. तो एक टिप आपकी तरफ से यही है कि खाना बनाना सीख के आना. थोड़ा बहुत ही सीख लो तो वो
yeah,
यहाँ
basics. You don't have to make dal. I mean, naan and whatnot. Just basics for your survival.
Yes.
And like this was just for fun though, but just there's no tip. Be here, make mistakes, learn from
your mistakes. That's all. Thank you so much, Bhumika. Thank you so much for sharing your experiences with all the students. I hope कि आपने अगर ये वीडियो देखी है, पूरी देखी है, तो आपको हेल्प करेगी. थोड़ा सा भी अगर हेल्प करेगा, that is more than enough.
Yeah.
And thank you. मैं इनका Instagram handle भी लिंक में दे दूंगा, वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, ताकि if you have any question,
you can reach out to me
yes,
in case you have any questions.
exactly.
I would be happy to.
अगर आपके सेम क्वेश्चन, अगर आपका सेम कोई कोर्स है या कुछ भी आपको है, you can ask her and she will definitely answer.
Yeah,
Okay.
definitely.
So thank you so much and thank you and see you in the next video.
Yes.
Thank you.